me. And I'll be pacing in my room tonight, trying to make some old scars bleed. Trying to write a plot line that you don't already know, about a weekend crowd or a reckless boy or a girl from Ohio. They tell me I can sell my soul for a dream and a couple of shows. I don't think they understand just how deep loyalty goes. Some boys I got a bond, we built a product to the fur. Some badly written niggas hoes of shit is what they always prefer. Go on and tell me what you want, while me and mine you'll be gone. You can't keep your name, burn the cash. Tell 'em I died singing these hills if they ask. Well, hi there pluckers, I've a sore fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting lesson for you. Especially for all you Zach Bryan fans out there, this is one of his new songs off his latest album called Me and Mine. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the 2nd fret, puts us into the same key that Zach Bryan plays this song in. Right, so the main part of the song, the verses, is just basically 3 chords, A minor, E minor, and G, however you wish to play it. Okay, so the sort of don't try and play it too quick, it's relatively slow. Okay, so A minor, right, A minor, E minor, G, A minor. Sometimes he hammers in it, does a bit of that occasionally. That sort of thing. That sort of thing, okay? Just open strings, hammer into that A minor just before you start strumming, right? Right, so those are the 3 main chords of the song, okay? So we'll just do two rounds of that, and then we'll start doing the verse, which is the same sequence. Okay, so till we get to the end. Okay, so here comes the verse. Okay, go ahead, make your money off a boy just like me. I'll be pacing in my room tonight, trying to make some old scars bleed. Trying to write a plot line that you don't already know, about a weekend crowd, a reckless boy or a girl from Ohio. Right, now, the last line of the song. So it comes out of that, trying to write a plot line that you don't already know, about a weekend. On weekend, you just do you stop on the A minor. Right, so about a weekend crowd, or a E minor on reckless boy or a girl. So another strike on E minor on girl from G, Ohio, as on A minor. So that's weekend crowd, A minor, E minor, reckless boy, or a E minor, girl from Ohio, girl from Got that? Weekend crowd or a reckless boy or an E minor, girl from G, O, I, A minor, O. Okay, so let's do the whole verse again, okay? Go ahead and make money off a boy just like me. I'll be pacing in my room tonight, like old scars bleed. Trying to write a plot line that you don't already know, about a weekend crowd or a reckless boy or a girl from Ohio. Now then, you don't have to do this, but there's another guitar on this record, and you can just about get that in if you want to do it. Basically, it's a bend on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, followed by an open E string, okay? you can just about get that in, and it sounds something like the original record. Okay, so coming out of that weekend crowd or reckless boy or a girl, then the riff again, A minor, E minor, G, A minor, and we're into the second verse, and it's exactly the same as the first verse. Okay, apart from the last two lines are single strums. Okay, so second verse. So here we go for the second verse. They tell me I can sell my soul for a couple of shows. I don't think they understand how deep the royalty goes. Stop now, cause I got in the bar with Douglas fur. Badly written songs next to horses shit is what the boys prefer. Okay, got the idea? The last two lines, for some boys I got in the bar, it's the same chords, A minor, E minor, G. Okay, for some boys I got E minor in the barn, G, built out of pure Douglas, A minor, fur. Badly written A minor songs are next to E minor, horses. Horses shit is G, E minor again. What my ugly boys prefer. I got that. What my ugly boys prefer. What my ugly boy prefers. Right. So this second verse again slowly. Right. Tell me I can sell my soul for a dream and a couple of shows. I don't think they understand how the loyalty goes. Some boys I got a barn built out of pure Douglas fur. Got the badly written songs next to horses shit what my ugly boys prefer. And then we're going into the middle section, or the chorus section if you want to call it that, bridge section, whatever. Okay, so let's do the whole song up to that point. Okay, so two intros, first and second verses. Okay. Go ahead and make your money off a boy just like me. I'll be pacing in my room tonight, trying to make some old scars bleed. Trying to write a plot line that you don't already know. About a weekend crowd or a reckless boy or a girl from Ohio. You tell me I can sell my soul for a dream or a couple of shows. I don't think they understand how the loyalty goes. Some boys I got a barn built out of pure Douglas fur. Badly written song next to horses shit what the ugly boys prefer. Okay, done that. That's the intro, first two verses, right? So after you come out of the Okie boys prefer, goes to a C chord, right? Go on and G, tell me. So that's G, so you play C chord. Go on and G, tell me what you A minor want. C, while me and G mime, you'll be old A minor gone. C, and keep your G name and burn the A minor cash. C, tell 'em I died G singing in these E minor hills. G if they A minor ask. And then back to the usual riff and off into the third verse, another middle section and a final verse, which you can play exactly the same as what we've already done. Okay, so let's just go through this middle section again, bridge section. So coming out of the second verse, badly written songs next to horses shit is what the ugly boys prefer. C, go on G, tell me what you want. A minor, repeat, while me and mine will be gone. You can keep your name and burn the cash. Tell 'em I died singing in these hills if they cash. Right, so tell 'em, so it's tell 'em I died C, tell 'em I died G, singing in these E minor hills. G if they A minor as. And off into another verse. Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully that will enable you to play that song. Thanks very much for listening, and play along with Zach Bryan now and you'll be good to go. See you in the next lesson. Bye.